Hell yeah.
Yo, what's going on? Cuts by Reggie, back with another video, right? Hopefully y'all can see me. If y'all can't see me, then I'm just not gonna upload the video. So this is a pointless conversation with myself right now, or maybe it's not. If you're not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe, comment, like, share, dislike the videos if you dislike the videos, right? So today we're gonna have just a short review of a clipper from Gamma, right? Shout out to Gamma. They sent me this a little while ago. I have been using it for a little bit. This is the Shorty. I have been actually using a few different clippers right now, trying to get out some reviews, trying to take my time on some things, and plus I got other things going on. This content stuff, once life start really kicking your ass, sometimes that's why you gotta salute to the Jeezys, the Tanks, the Get Beams, the Concises, the like. Shout out to y'all for staying consistent on it and like putting everything on, like handling life and still handling this. Salute, right? Anyway, this is the Shorty clipper. Again, shout out to Gamma. They sent me this a little while ago. Like I said, I have been using it maybe a month, a little over a month, trying to get a good feel of it. Like I said, I've been using a lot of different things. So what comes in the box, of course, I got the clipper over there, but you do get the different colors. You get I do like this color here. I thought I was going to change it to the orange, but if y'all been watching my channel long enough, y'all know sometimes I say I'm going to change it, and then I end up not changing the color. But those are the two colors that come with it. And up under there, of course, you get the different color. You do get the stretch bracket if you like the stretch bracket. You do get the different color levers as well if you want to change some things on there. And of course, you do get their screwdriver. You gotta have the Gamma screwdriver, the Stylecraft screwdriver, right? It does come with the cable is over here. It comes also with the USB cable, USB-C cable as well. This is the charging dock. If y'all can see that, nice sturdy. Let me get the clipper real quick. Boom, sit right in there, very nice, no problem. This is a heavy duty, I guess. If it's not like light or anything, you do got the grips here at the bottom. It's not going anywhere, it's gonna fit. And of course, boom, charging on the back. And down here at the bottom of the clipper, make sure y'all can see that, down here at the bottom of the clipper, it does have the regular charging cable and also USB-C if you want to do the USB-C, which that's when this comes along. I do like it better when the clippers have it down here at the bottom. For some reason, like, even though it's not like, now I would like it better if you could stand it up on something with USB-C, but I do like it at the bottom rather than hooking it on the back. Let me see. If you got the extra charging on the back, sometimes you got to lay the clipper a certain way, which is not a problem. I mean, you can find a way to lay it, but I do like it if you're gonna lay it down, hook it on the back. Now, I know clippers don't come with the hooks no more, but sometimes I wish I had something where I could hang it, especially after you spray it. You can let all that drip rather than letting everything get into the actual clipper. So, but that's a whole nother thing, right? So as far as the clipper, the pricing of this, it's on the screen. I think it's like $259, $279, somewhere in that area. But I do got the price on the screen. Of course, if you want to use my discount code, use the discount code Cuts by Reggie. And it is a digital motor, 7,500 RPM. It does come with the black diamond carbon DLC blade, low noise and low vibration. And of course, you got where you can swap the faces on it, easy to adjust. Y'all get it though, right? 2 hours of runtime. Again, it does come with the tight, USB. I was about to say USB. It come with the tight premium guards. I'm not a big fan of these. Like I've said it before, but I did use them this time to actually, maybe something was changed, maybe something's different. They just a little too thick for me, a little too stiff. I know, a little too stiff. I know like a lot of people like the premium guards. I'm not the biggest fan of the premium guards. I like them to be not too thin where they're gonna break, but I also don't need them to be too thick, too like where nothing, like when you're going around the head where they don't move. You know what I'm saying? Them a little too thick for me. I always go back to using the Wahl guard system. They fit on the clippers that I like to use, so it fits. You know, it works out for me. Like I said, 2 hours of run time, which with a charging stand, that's cool because you can just turn around, boom, set it down. But 2 hours does kind of, especially when you got to give it a 2 hour or you got to let it charge for, I thought I seen it on here, but it's like you get a full charge after about an hour. It's not like a quick, like even if it was 45 minutes, that'd be cool. But anyway, you got the charging dock, so it's not that big of a deal. But this is the machine. Make sure you can see the machine here. Click lever, five locations. You got the vapor blade here, which I love the vapor blade. On the 360 Jeezy clipper, I've also been using that. On the 360 Jeezy clipper, it has the Echo blade. I'm not the biggest fan of the Echo blade. I know a lot of people like it. They say it get that crunch, it get all that. But sometimes it snags a little bit. We'll talk about that once I review that clipper. But it snags a little bit for me. I'm not the biggest fan of it. I'd rather have a regular fade blade or this nice vapor blade that they have on here. Again, this is the design. And a lot of clippers seem to be going the short route. But when you really compare them to other clippers, they not as short. I mean, you can tell it's a little bit smaller. But I know a lot of people might look at some of these online and think they're too small. Somebody, shout out to the person who commented this. They was like, I got like gorilla hands or something like that, like bear claws, so it might be too small, which I do. I'm an oversized guy, right? I'm working on it though. I'm working on it. But it's not bad. It's not bad in the hand, especially like when you fading. It's good to have that small, it doesn't make it better versus a Babyliss or whatever, but it's fine in my hand. You know what I'm saying? The way you holding it, it's not like I'm choking the clipper when I'm holding it, pause, but so it's fine because I just can flick and do what I need to do with it. I haven't had no problems with it. This is the sound. It's not bad at all. I like it. Here's your light here, and of course, once it start dying off, it'll start blinking down here at the bottom. I love it. I have no problem with this clipper so far. When it comes into fading, nice work. Again, you see these grooves here, right here on the back. The way you holding it, you put your fingers there, boom, easy to flick. That's why I do like it's not too bulky. Although a lot more of the weight is here, but it's not like too much weight up front where it's like gonna offset it. So I like that flick right there. It's perfect for me, right? Going through thick hair, I had no problems laying the hair down. Like I said, I love this blade, right? And I'll get to it a little bit more with the 360 Jeezy blade. But when I have that Echo blade on products, when the hair is a little too thick, it snags. It kind of slows down, so you got to take your time to go through thick hair. This right here, I had no problems laying down hair, laying down the waves of people's hair, going through thick hair, going against the grain. I had no problem at all. This did not get hot at all, and it is an all plastic body, but it's not like a cheaply made plastic, right? So I do like it, heavy duty. I know someone's in the comments, they're gonna say you can get it from here for cheaper, you get it from here from cheaper, and you might be able to. But this is the one I've used. So if you can get it cheaper, you can get it on certain websites cheaper. And if you want to try it out, go there and try it out. I don't know how tariffs and things are going to work here very soon. But if you can get it $12, get it for $12. This is, like I said, I'll put the price on the screen. Use my discount code, Cuts by Reggie. Save you some money. But yeah, like I said, going through her, fading was nice. It didn't get hot. The blade didn't get hot. This is a very well, it's a nicely alternative to what I've been using. I've been using the Instinct X, And even with that, this is a longer clipper, but even with that, it's not too much. I mean, you can tell, but it's not like crazy. It is a little thick, but it's not too. It's not bad. You get what I'm saying? So it's bulky, but it's not like, it's not heavy. Like the way that the way it feels in your hand. These grips on the back, like a Wahl clipper almost. Them grips on the back is very nice. You know what I'm saying? So overall, I don't mind the clipper at all. Is this worth the money? I say yes. If you are in the need for a clipper and you want to spend that $250, of course, again, discount code Cuts by Reggie. I say this is well worth the buy. Could they have came down on that price a little bit? Again, I'm not in the rooms. I don't know how this worked to maybe, but it is worth the buy. I say when you buy it, you're gonna like it. I had no problem with it, like I said. But if you can, hey, if you can get it cheaper, get it cheaper. I'm not trying to force nobody to buy nothing. I'm just giving you my opinion on this product. And this product is a good product from Gamma. Shout out to Gamma with the Shorty clipper. Yeah, and again, the Vapor Blade. Love that Vapor Blade. And I'll talk more on the Echo Blade when I am reviewing the 360 clipper. I have been using it a little bit, trying to get some good use out of it. Shout out to 360 Jeezy. Shout out to Stylecraft. I also have the Babyliss. The Babyliss clippers done came in too, so we're gonna give those a shot. See how those work as well. All right. Thank you for watching the video. If you like what you saw, subscribe. If you're not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe, comment, like, share, dislike the videos if you dislike the videos, and we'll be back with another review, tutorial, unboxing, or something. All right. Yeah. Peace.